How to replace your wand toggle switch in your hose and brush assembly. First, remove the brush and gasket. Then you will need to move the foam generator with the hose straight out on the ground. Pull some slack to get the foam generator out of your way of the housing. Then flip over, use a 9/16 to remove the tab on the switch. Then on the inside, just push your switch through, and on the inside, your switch will be wire nutted with 2 gray wire nuts. Just clip the gray wire nuts. Take your new switch to install. Strip a little bit of your wire back. Take 2 small gray wire nuts, install, doesn't make any difference which lead goes to which wire. Attach your wire nuts, make sure they're tight. Then it helps just to protect them to put a little black electrical tape. Just kind of fold your switch back in, put back down in the housing. Put your tab back on. And reassemble your 9/16 nut to hold it in place.